Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing today? My name is Brian Varvel and welcome to myREfuture. I want to start by thanking you for joining me today and tell you how excited I am that you've invited me along on your journey to becoming the next great real estate agent. I can't wait to see what you do. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of becoming a real estate agent and building your business worth owning at Keller Williams Realty. So let's get this ball rolling. Real quick though, a little background on who I am. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Brian Varvel, and I've been a real estate agent with Keller Williams Realty since 2004 and a career advisor since 2016. All of those years, I'm proud to say, have been with Keller Williams' premier market center in Katy, Texas, just outside of Houston. If you read my email yesterday, you already know a little about how I came into real estate. I started in 2004 after being laid off twice from the same company and the same position. Yet another tragic victim of overseas IT outsourcing. But making the transition into real estate opened my eyes to opportunities I'd never before considered. The opportunity to build a successful business, having more control over my income, a flexible schedule, and an inside track to learning the benefits of real estate investing. For the last 20 years, I've run my real estate business, served on leadership council, helped found and grow a large 501c3 nonprofit, helped train agents, built a rental portfolio, and now help folks just like you who might be interested in following a similar path. That's to say, help guide people through their real estate education and licensing, then getting them connected with Keller Williams Realty and set them on a path to building an amazing business and career. So before I begin, let's tackle the big bear in the room. If you weren't aware, the National Association of Realtors published a report that revealed a whopping 80% of new agents failed to make it past 1 year in the business. And even then, 87% failed before the 5-year mark. The sad fact, though, is that it doesn't have to be this way. There are 5 main reasons agents fail in this business. They have inadequate funds to carry their business through until they have closings. They don't know how to lead generate. They don't know how or fail to have a follow-up strategy for their leads, poor marketing, and they don't have a business plan in place. And this is exactly why I started myREfuture. It's my firm belief that if these agents had had the staff support, had the tools, had the models, the technology and the training, and had the accountability that Keller Williams Realty is world famous for, those numbers wouldn't be nearly so bleak. My goal is to help you be among the 13% of agents that are not only surviving in 5 years, but thriving. So, then what's the process? What are the basic steps to get you from what you're doing now to becoming a licensed real estate agent? And there are 5 basic steps. Step 1 is scheduling and taking your licensure courses. You'll want to check the requirements for your state as they vary widely depending on where you live. Some states offer credit for certain college curriculum, and many real estate schools sell all of the licensing courses as a package. It would be helpful, though, to determine, before you sign up for classes, whether you would learn better online or in a classroom environment. Step 2 is to schedule a consultation call with me, and then visit an office. Typically, this happens within a 2-week window of finishing your classes and taking your state exam. Usually that call, or if you're local to Houston, I'm happy to schedule a meeting over coffee if you prefer, lasts 15 to 20 minutes and centers around your expectations, your questions, and what it looks like to be a part of Keller Williams Realty. Once that's done, I'll help you schedule an office visit with the local market center best suited to help you succeed. If you're in a city, chances are that there are multiple offices near you, and part of my job is to help you find the best work home for your needs. That meeting will allow you to tour the office, get a look at their training calendar, meet the leadership team, and get a feel for the culture within that market center. All of it's designed to help you make an educated decision about where to hang your license. Step 3 is a quick one. It's simply to take and pass your state exam. There's really not much for me to expand on with this step. Once you've passed your exam, the next step, step 4, is to join a Keller Williams office and select a sponsor. You'll simply return to the Keller Williams office that you visited in step 2, complete the onboarding process, pay the startup fees, and complete your sponsorship form. When completing this form, you'll be asked to name a sponsor, the person who is most influential in helping you decide to join Keller Williams. It's important that you understand that it doesn't have to be a particular person in that office, but rather who, in the entire worldwide company, most influenced your decision to join. It's my hope that you'll find that I've provided enough value to you in this process that you'll feel great about naming me as your sponsor. My number one goal is to help you get connected with an amazing Keller Williams Market Center, one that is dedicated to helping you have an amazing first year in real estate. And when you succeed, I hope that you'll feel proud to have named me as your sponsor. Step 5 is to actually launch your real estate career. There's a running joke that says real estate school teaches you contracts and how not to get sued. Broker training is where you truly learn how to run a successful real estate business. And Keller Williams Realty is unquestionably the leader in real estate training. So much so that Training Magazine twice named Keller Williams as the top training company in the world. And not just in the real estate field, but across all industries. Most Keller Williams Market Centers have a new agent launch system that utilizes proven training programs from Keller Williams University. Typically, they involve daily classes with daily activities and span several weeks. They are designed to get you into money-making activities quickly and help you develop the habits that are proven to build businesses. In addition to in-person classes in your market center, there is nearly endless learning opportunities online at Keller Williams University and KW Connect, as well as countless private social media groups that agents are encouraged to join. You can learn more about all of these opportunities on the myREfuture.com website under the training header. So, those are the 5 steps to take you from a mere mortal to a real estate superhero. So let's quickly recap. Number 1, schedule and take your licensure classes. Number 2, schedule and consult with me and tour your local KW Market Center. Number 3, take and pass your state exam. Number 4, join your local Keller Williams office and hopefully name me as your sponsor. Lastly, take advantage of all the available training to you and kickstart your business. And just remember, I'm here to help you through the process and answer any questions you may have going forward. Best of luck to you, and let's talk soon.